Hi! In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Then tap on Display section, click on Advanced and scroll down. Following that, you need to tap on this gray sweater next to Auto Rotate Screen to switch it on or off. You can also go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate icon over here. If you can't find it, tap on this pen one at the bottom left corner, look for it here, hold it and drag it to the top. Then place it wherever you wish to, let go and go back. Now you need to click on it. And if it's blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled. In order to disable it, just tap on the same auto rotate shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!